Welcome to the AB-731 Microsoft AI Transformation Leader Exam Style Q&A series. Here's Question 7. Question 7. Which capability is a key benefit of Microsoft Copilot experiences across business applications and productivity tools? A. Generating contextual responses and content using organizational data. B. Replacing enterprise identity providers. C. Managing physical data center infrastructure. D. Performing network packet inspection. Correct answer. Option A. Generating contextual responses and content using organizational data is correct, because Microsoft Copilot uses organizational data to generate relevant contextual responses and content. It understands emails, files, meetings, and documents to deliver meaningful assistance. Why the other options are not correct? Option B. Replacing enterprise identity providers is incorrect, because enterprise identity providers are managed by Microsoft Entra ID, not Copilot. Option C. Managing physical data center infrastructure is incorrect, because data center infrastructure management is unrelated to Copilot capabilities. Option D. Performing network packet inspection is incorrect, because network packet inspection is a cybersecurity task, not an AI productivity feature. Exam tip. Copilot questions usually emphasize context awareness, productivity, and organizational data grounding. If you found this question helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, so we can bring you more AB-731 exam-style Q&A sessions. See you in the next question.